recording control. Let's see. Photo kaadu video. Appendicectomy. What is appendicectomy? Appendix. Today I will explain removal of sutures. First now phone say. I will show removal of sutures for appendicectomy 1. Appendicectomy was done 10 days ago. Now patient is improved with a healthy wound. You can see the wound with the sutures. So there is no pus. You can press and see any pus discharge, any collection is there. You can remove. Any infection is not there, then you can remove continuously. First remove the one, then this one, then this one, then this one. Then you can go. Nothing is gaping is there. Gold. So I will show how to remove sutures. Alternate. Gold is. I will show one. Give me. Gold. The loop is there. Cut. Cut. Then one cut. Give me. Okay. You don't know you don't see this one. Plus this, keep on plus this. So this is how we remove the sutures. Take, fine. Keep cross piece here. Only that loop is you don't cut. This is a just removal of the knot. That's all. That don't think it's a difficult. Your left hand, right hand.
Right hand.
Then you cut. No, cut this one. So what is appendicectomy? I will explain after this. Lift. You can lift the remove. Cut the knot. Knot. You don't cut this one thread. Leave this one. You are cutting the thread. The thread, if you cut it, what will happen? Okay. See? Hey, what you are cutting? Loop. You are not seeing. I think you are done. So, yeah, I am telling the just it's a loop. You are not. You are not understanding. That's why you are not understanding the concept. A loop means not cut the thread. Not here cut. It is loop. With a loop will local cut. What are ladies even suggest this one. Hold it. The sharp is there. You go inside and lift ma. Lift cut. Ante. You are not removing properly. ఇది పెట్టుకో దీన్ని పెట్టుకో ప్లగ్ వాళ్ళు కన్ను కనపడదు ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సీన్ డోంట్ కట్ ద లూప్ నాట్ దట్ నాట్ ఆల్సో షుడ్ కమ్ remove them. Lift, pull, like that. Now you cut the remove these two. Two are there, they are there. స్నానం చేసుకోండి రేపు ఈరోజు స్నానం చేసుకొని కాల్స్ ఒక ఆయింట్మెంట్ కాల్స్ ఇస్తారా తీసుకోండి డ్యూటీకి పోతున్నదా కూర్చొని చేసేదా పని ఏం చేసేది లిఫ్ట్ Then the article, anything is there, plug it. Not like that. Is there? Now you hold it firmly, lock it, lift it, lift till the unit is. Go inside and take this. You can see. You are not understanding the concept. You are cutting full thread. Inside loop is there. One more is there? Nothing. Is there reflected? Like that. కొంచెం క్లీన్ చేసి ఇచ్చేయండి. This take this, the tartar forceps, take this tartar. Keep the blade there. Then why blade again? Take that without hands only take. Throw it to the finger. అయిపోయింది, బాగుంది సార్. కొంచెం బిటాడ్ చేసి క్లీన్ చేయండి. కుట్లు వేసేది బాగుంది. ఉంది ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. నొప్పి బాగా వస్తుంది. ఏం లేదు, బాగుంది. ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఉంది. మాది కాదు, అంత దేవుంది. అయ్యో మీకు చేసి మేము ఎంత కష్టపడినామో ఏమో మీకు అర్థం కాలేదు. పొద్దున్న నుంచి సాయంత్రం వరకు రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చిందా, అదొచ్చిందా, ఇదొచ్చిందా అని. ఆయింట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చే మనకి ఏమొద్దు వీళ్ళకి. ఫిజిషియన్ ఒపీనియన్ రాసింది షుగర్కి. మాది ఏం లేదు. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఏమైనా వస్తే షుగర్ది ప్రాబ్లమ్, షుగర్లో పోయి చూపించండి 6 నెంబర్లో. కింద అది చూపించండి. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు, కొంచెం అక్కడ ఇంకో కింద ఉంది. అది 2-3 రోజుల్లో మారిపోతుంది. ఒక ఆయింట్మెంట్ రాసి పిటాడిన్ ఆయింట్మెంట్. ఏం చెప్పా అంతే, వేరే బి కాంప్లెక్స్ రాసి, బి కాంప్లెక్స్ ట్యాబ్ డైక్లో ఫ్యాన్ ఎస్ఓఎస్ అంతే. ఇప్పుడు మెడిసిన్ పోవాలి అప్పుడు పోయి ఇక్కడ నుంచి అంతే. రేపు స్నానం చేసుకొని ఆయింట్మెంట్ రాసిస్తానా, అంటించుకోండి. ఏమద్దు, ఏం డ్రెస్సింగ్ ఏమద్దు, బాగుంది. అంటే తీసుకోలేం లేదు. I will explain what is appendectomy. Come. So acute appendicitis, inflammation of appendix. Understand? Inflammation of appendix is called as appendicitis. There are so many causes for acute appendicitis. The commonest cause is fecal. Fecal, that is formation of stone. Fecal means fecal matter. Lith means stone. A stone formation in the intestine or in the appendix is called fecal lith. That is the blockage of the appendicular lumen and causing. Understand? Other causes are enterobius vermicularis infection, bacterial infection. Understand? And other inflammatory obstructive rare causes also can cause appendicitis. The commonest cause is fecal. Second one is enterobius vermicularis. Coming down. Enterobius vermicularis and other bacterial infections, E. coli, bacteroids and other infections. Understand? So, what are the common symptoms of appendicitis? The common symptoms are pain. First patient starts with the Murphy's triad. It is called Murphy's triad. Pain, vomiting, pain, vomiting, nausea and all this. Fever consequence. Murphy's triad. Pain, fever, vomiting and fever. Pain, vomiting, fever, nausea. These are the sequence of triad of Murphy's triad of appendicitis. Understand? So patient comes some pain in the periumbilical region, then it shifts to the McBurney's point. Understand? Yes. McBurney's point, Then because it is the root value is same, so periumbilical region on the McBurney's point, the T10 segment of innervation. So it is called shifting of the pain. Then patient may develop intermittent colicky, continuous pain 10%. Then vomiting, nausea. Then because of the infection, it will go for septicemia and fever. Understand? So what are the physical signs? Physical signs will be there will be McBurney's tenderness. McBurney's tenderness will be there. McBurney's point, it is medial to the and lateral. 1/3 line joining the upper umbilicus and anterosuperior iliac spine. Understand? So this is the appendix. Site is tenderness, rebound tenderness will be there, guarding will be there, sometimes perforation is there, guarding, rigidity of the abdomen will be there. The infection it perforates and abscess formation, entire right iliac portion will be guarding everything. Understand? So what are the important investigations? Investigations are complete blood count, hemoglobin, total count. Total count, there will be elevation of the total count that indicates again appendicitis inflammation. More than 12,000, 11,000 cells per cubic millimeter. Understand? Neutrophils will be elevated. ESR may be increased. Understand? Then the definitive investigation to confirm acute appendicitis is ultrasound. Ultrasound usually detects the acute appendicitis, the lumen, size of the lumen, how much is it is enlarged, the appendix is enlarged. Understand? Any picolic, any perforation, mass, it will detect. If it is inconclusive again ultrasound, you can go for CT scan of the abdomen. Medicine refer. Iodine, vitamin.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C, B complex.
డైట్లో
ఎప్పుడన్నా SOS అంటే చాలు. ఫిజిషియన్ పోయి జ్వరం వస్తుంది సార్ అని చెప్పి ఫిజిషియన్ పోయి షుగర్ చూడడం ఎట్టుందా వాడు చేసినారా ఇన్సులిన్ ట్యాబ్లెట్స్ సార్ ultrasound, CT scan of the abdomen can also be done. CT scan. Then what else? CT scan also one of the important investigation to confirm acute appendicitis. If it is a retrocecal, if the ultrasound is not picked up. Understand? So what is the treatment? Treatment is appendicectomy. So how to do appendicectomy? First patient preparation. Patient is kept NPO. Patient is kept nil per orally. IV fluids you should give. Antibiotics covering both gram positive, gram negative. For this patient we advise IV fluids, ceftriaxone injection 1 gram IV BD. Then metronidazole 400 milligram IV PAD. Amikacin 500 mg BD. Then diclofenac, pantoprazole, pain. So all these things, then the patient is prepared, everything is done and posted for surgery. That is appendicectomy. Patient is under spinal anesthesia. Now I will explain the steps of appendicectomy, important steps. Okay. First, patient is in the supine position on the table, parts painted and draped, the abdomen, entire abdomen, and up to the mid thigh, pelvic and genital regions, everything is painted with bovidin iodine and spirit. Understand? And patient is draped. Draped means all the sterile materials, cloths, dressings are draped to cover to avoid infection from the external other cells. Then McBurney's incision was put. McBurney's incision is from line umbilical joining the umbilicus and anterosuperior spine, medial to the incision put. The abdomen is opened in layers, that is superficial fascia, deep fascia of camphor. Then external oblique abdominis is incised and separated, dissected, and the muscles, that is internal oblique and trans abdominis, are dissected and retracted, and the peritoneum entered after incising the peritoneum. Then appendix could not be identified because it was a recurrent appendicitis and mass was formed. Understand? It was found to be retrocecal. This is a case of retrocecal appendicitis. So then first we ligated the base, then retrocecal appendicectomy was done. Then wash was given with a lot of saline. Then drain was kept, corrugated rubber drain in the right iliac fossa. Then abdomen was closed in layers. Understand? This is appendectomy procedure. First one is McBurney's incision. Opening the layers, abdominal layers, enter the abdomen, and cecum and ileum, terminal ileum identified. Taenia coli is identified. At the end of the taenia coli is the beginning of the appendectomy. So, appendectomy found to be retrocecal appendectomy done. Wash given, drain kept, and abdomen closed in layers. And patient was shifted to the post-operative ward with the nil parvovirally, IV fluids, ceftriaxone injection, 1 gram IV VD, metronidazole, IV TAD, amikacin, 500 mg VD, tramadol, PAN, all this. Patient was monitored for about 1 year, 1 day, 2 days, then started orally, and patient recovered. Soft diet was started on third to fourth day because patient developed all the bowel sounds was well heard and he was passing flatus. So then patient discharged on the 7th day. Then sutures was removed today. So this is about the appendectomy and how to remove sutures and what is retrocecal appendicitis. All these things. Okay. Thank you.